While the mid-engine V8 Ferraris are the most popular out there, the ones that really stir the soul and bring out the true spirit of Enzo Ferrari have to be the naturally aspirated front-engine V12 ones. And this, the new Ferrari 812 GTS, is Ferrari's flagship production convertible V12. The new 812 GTS is essentially the convertible version of the 812 Superfast. Ferrari claims that this is the first series production V12 convertible in 50 years, following the footsteps of the incredibly rare and stunning Ferrari 365 GTS 4, or more commonly known, the Daytona Spider. And while there have been V12 drop tops in the recent past like the 550 Barchetta, the 575 Super America, the 599 S Aperta, and the most recent and rarest of the lot, the F60 America, all of these have been limited numbered cars. Of course, if you really want to count all the limited edition V12 roofless Ferraris, the limited edition SP1 and SP2 Monza would also count. The 812 GTS, on the other hand, will literally be available to all those who can afford one. And in India, it's a biggie. 5 crore 79 lakh rupees ex-showroom, and that's before you start to add in some of Ferrari's expensive options. This particular 812 GTS is the first one delivered in India and is featured in the iconic shade of Rosso Corsa, paired with a black interior and red piping. Special options include a set of alloy wheels that are available exclusively on the GTS, a Ferrari sports exhaust, comfort full electric seats, and the carbon fiber steering wheel with LED shift lights. The 812 GTS gets a metal folding roof option that opens or closes in less than 14 seconds and up to speeds of 45 km per hour, and also gets a rear window that can be lowered independently. Of course, due to the roof, the car does lose out on some of its boot space and practicality, although we think that doesn't really make much of a difference to the Indian customer. Under the hood, the GTS is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12, delivering 800 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 718 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM, with top speed of 340 km per hour with the roof closed. 0 to 100 km per hour is dealt with in less than 3 seconds, and of course, as is expected, the naturally aspirated V12 screams like a banshee when unleashed. Incidentally, this is also the first ever V12 convertible Ferrari in India, but this 812 GTS, which has already been delivered by the time you will see this video, won't be alone. Several more are expected to be delivered to their lucky owners very soon, some of which bring with them some very bold and standout specs.